Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the puzzle page. Yes, the puzzle page of the weekend edition of Saturday, February the 24th, 2024. We have here 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are 3 Star Sudoku, another 3 Star Sudoku, the Killer Sudoku, the binary with 3 stars, 1, 2, and the last puzzle is the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. I won't do them all, only 4 of them I will solve, and the first one I will do is the 3 Star Sudoku number 8066. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 Star Sudoku has 25 printed digits. This one has 26, 1 digit more. Well, usually for 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. For 26, should be at 2 stars. Need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Question is this a 2 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me start with the 4. Here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 7. How about 2, 2, 3, 3. Yeah, I'm thinking. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and 5. We have 6 and a 5 in the second row, so no 6 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. 6 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 5, 6 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 6 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8. 9 is missing, 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Need a 6 here. Need a 4 here. And I need a 5 here. Come on. 2, 2. 8. We have an 8 in the last row. 8 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the second column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Okay. We have a pair. The 1 and 8 in the third column, the 1 and 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there, so 2 numbers left in the first column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the second column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. Okay, and now 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column. So no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the middle column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Need an 8 here. And need an 8 there. 7 here, need a 7 here. Okay, and now, 9. Yeah. Need a 2 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4, the 7, 4, and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 4 in that column. So the column between, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 in the second row, no 4 there. Only place left for the 4 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between. And only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 7, yeah. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Yeah. 1 and 3. Okay. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the middle column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and the 9, 7 and the 9. We have a 9 in the last row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 7 goes there. And I've eliminated there the 7, so the 7 goes there. Alright. And now... Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then... Yeah. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 4 and the 7. 4 and the 7, we have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between, middle row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for number 1. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Now 2 numbers, 2 and the 9. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in the third column. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 6 goes there. Then let me see. How about 4, 5, and this 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the first row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. On the last column, there are only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, there are only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 1 box left in the last row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so the last column. The only place left for the 3 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 6 goes there. 11 minutes. All right. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. 0 stars. I'm faster than 14 and 30 minutes. So I'm well pleased with time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle, the killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.